Здравейте, машини! Днешното видео е тук при вас подкрепата на G-Round. Не знаете кои са G-Round? Спокойно. Затова аз съм тук. G-Round ви предлагат уникалната възможност всяка седмица да играете напълно безплатно селекция от ексклузивни игри, които не може да намерите в познатите до сега платформи. Освен, че вие напълно безплатно можете да играете тези игри, можете и да си купувате неща от G-Round отново напълно безплатно. Ама нубе, как така? За да си вземете някои от продуктите на G-Round, вие трябва да печелите така наречените G-Points, а те от своя страна се печелят като играете игрите и след това оставите една-две думи като коментар на впечатленията ви от играта или ревю. Важно е да се отбележи, че когато свалите лаунчера, не можете да сваляте няколко игри едновременно. Трябва да изчакате дадена игра да се свали, за да започне да сваляте друга. Готино, нали? Хайде сега ходете, нацъкайте линка в описанието и почнете да играете игрите в G-Round. Важно е да се отбележи, че, както казах по-рано, когато направите ревю или оставите отзив за дадена игра, получавате допълнително G-Points, така че това е доста важно, ако желаете да си вземете нещо от магазина. Това беше от мен. Хайде сега към видеото. Има някакъв Vikings vibe, нали? Добре ли го виждате? Damn, this is brown water.
No, that's actually really clear.
Yeah, I've bathed in near the lakes in Jönköping. I mean, it's like muddy inside, but the water there was like soup.
That's the way a lot of our lakes are.
Have you climbing today?
Oh.
No, I didn't.
Не съм на team-building, чат. На Arctic Game Week съм.
Actually, I haven't. I thought you and Talk were about to go there. Not me. I was actually planning to go home this morning. Yes.
Really?
By chance.
Really? No. I would... You said I'm going alone. Dude, I have a lot of things to manage. I am not sure I can do it alone. That's the thing. I need to watch chat. I need to answer I mean, I can do it, but I don't want to drop this or this.
Are we live like right now?
Yeah, we are. Oh. I'm sorry if you're okay with being filmed, right?
Well, I feel like it naked.
No, they don't mind. I mean, they're degenerates.
Oh, well, that's true.
Well, have fun. Don't.
Oh, yeah.
Do you need a hand?
No. I need to stuff every piece of technology.
You're gonna wear the life jacket?
I can swim. My father is from the seaside in Bulgaria.
So you're next of kin. Do you have any
Next of kin.
some info we should know about?
So,
Where are y'all streaming?
I'm pretty sure this is the first time someone's streaming.
sorry. Very slowly. Forward.
Would you have gauge?
What? Thank you.
Help me.
Just a sec. Just
You
a sec.
don't want to have a life jacket.
Yeah, it's here.
Do y'all have snuff films in Sweden?
Hang on. I'm leaving my phone.
Okay, leave your phone, bro.
What's that?
Go.
Wait a little. Okay.
He says he can swim, so.
No, I can't swim. I'm just worried I don't want to lose the...
Hey, watch this. Hold my beer.
Yeah, exactly.
Which side do you want to paddle?
Left.
Left? Okay.
Yeah, right. Go, you do that.
We're gonna go there in front to the houses, okay?
Okay. Чат. Добре ли е, чат? I'm not sure I'm in my stream. Dude, I'm in some random guy's stream. What the fuck? I don't even look at my chat. Jesus Christ. Oh my god. Okay, just a second. Oh, okay. Какво става, чат?
Is there actually people watching, or are we doing this?
No, that's people watching and they're like, oh my god, this is actual content. I mean, they do not expect content from me. They expect only the worst, so... Bro, we are going to the we're going there.
I'm
For?
just wondering what those two floating things are.
Oh. Какво става, чат? Виждате ли, чат? Той гребе отдясно. Той гребе отдясно. Той гребе отдясно. Fuck you, boys. They're like, go to the other side. I'm like, I'm with a backpack, bro.
Go to the other side? Where?
No. They're telling me, row on the other side.
Like, what is this shit? Oh, maybe nets for lobsters.
Yeah, just, I need to adjust this. How do it?
Yeah, just bend it.
Okay. Thank you for doing this with me, man.
Yeah.
This is amazing, man. Какво става, чат? Как е? Крис, благодаря ти за съба, мен. This is surreal, man.
Are you still alive, bro?
I am.
I like how in the town we cannot go live. We're in the middle of a fucking lake. Everything's fine.
Yes, just a second, I need to check my chat. They're like, oh my god, what the fuck are you doing? And one of my head mods who just resubbed for like 65 months is like, what the fuck? We came from reacting to videos to like rowing in a boat. Wait, why are we are making a circle?
You don't want to?
I don't know, let's make a circle then.
Kind of circle back, right?
Yeah. Oh, there are waves, bro. Let's go!
Nobody said it was gonna be easy.
Oh, shit. Whee! I feel like Vikings, bro. That's the new season. Charge! Oh. I'm still hoping we're live. Just a second. Добре ли се вижда чат? Just a second. Добре ли се вижда? Sea of Thieves, I don't know. Добре ли се вижда? Добре ли се чува? Всичко наред ли е? Кажете само, за да знам дали да продължим. Just a second. Live, okay. Да, йо, okay. Just a second. Okay, stable. We can just evade them, man. Like, we are on a 5-star chase. We're just gonna evade them.
Like, only come back for like meat and stuff.
We are making history. I'm the first Bulgarian swimmer that has ever done this.
Yeah.
A part of, I don't know, like rowing a boat IRL. I would thank you, man. I mean, it's your backpacks. Чат, няма да купуваме S-клас. Ще купуваме backpack. I just told them we're going to buy one. We ain't buying S-Class, that's for sure.
Don't dance, boys.
This is so relaxing.
Yeah, with the green.
Yes. Imagine fucking on this boat, man. Not us. Not that. I mean, oh, that. Just that was an L. Chat.
Here come the KW.
No, man. Just I'm gonna. Yeah. You know what I meant. I didn't mean that. So yeah. Oh, Gachi bus. Yeah, Gachi is here. Gachi is here. Shit. Chat. Sort it out. I'm sorry. Oh.
It's just so fun. Like you're on this gaming streaming site from Origin, and then all of a sudden you see fucking
a guy rowing a boat. Скандал. Намираме се на около 150 км от Lövånger, там където бяхме. Lövånger се казва езерото, не съм много сигурен за произношението, но този път може би ще го сложа в описанието, ако такова. Това ще го кача на видео със сигурност. Ама е скандално. Мисля, брутално е. Кефите ли се, чат? Вижте колко е яко. Can we just slow down so I can take a photo as okay.
Just don't pedal.
Yeah, okay. Добре. С раницата сме. Това е човек, където ми помага. Друго си е. Бац. Друго си е. Yeah. Okay, let's go. I need to be... Wait, are we going there? Or...
Whatever you want, man.
Oh, we're going back.
Huh?
Look. The wind.
Yeah. The wind is blowing us back. Go back because my phone is there.
Yeah. I mean, we can take your phone and continue.
Yeah.
If you want.
Fine.
Okay.
I just didn't want to bring a phone
Yeah, on the test run.
on the test run.
Oh, you thought I'm
I thought you were like being an idiot on the boat. And then...
No, I'm not. No. I'm serious, man.
Yeah. Don't crash into the dock, please.
Yeah, it's a handbrake turn.
It's okay.
We're just taking the phone so he can take photos.
Okay.
No.
Oh, no, you. He was grabbing the dock. Oh, he was stopping.
Yeah, get the photos. Чат, какво става? Сега ще продължим. Виждам. Чата стои. Чата стои ето тук. Как е, бе, чат? Бат якото. Окей. Айде, чат. Окей. We synchronized finally. So we're evading them and we're going to Finland or something like.
Find Russian submarine.
Oh no Russian submarines! Imagine, bro. Imagine. You really thought I'm gonna do dumb shit on the boat? No.
Like it's also part of a stabilization game, right?
Yeah.
Some people are just complete idiots when it comes to the stabilization.
No. Sorry if I'm splashing. I'm trying not to. О, Рубарче, ти ли си явац? Какво става, мен? Чат, какво ще кажете, въртле? Прането на битове върви ли от Twitch според вас? Дали панамерата може да се движи езерото? Съжалявам, сори, просто трябваше се ебам. Съжалявам, my bad, reverse joke, no joke. No, chat, okay, всичко, we are fine. Oh shit. Kick W. I wonder how deep is this. I can check.
Judging by the darkness, it's probably super deep.
No, it's always dark because like there is like in the water, it's mud on the bottom because it's a lake, and there is a lot of the organisms that live in the water in the it's so it's
1 pedal deep, I just checked.
what?
It's at least 1 pedal deep.
I like the swirlies that it does when you paddle. Dude, I would love to be on a motor. Like, if you imagine if you had a motor.
Yeah.
We just, GG, amazing.
Well, basically, we're now pedaling into the wind.
Yeah.
And when we go back, we can just chill.
No, when we go to the back, it will definitely go against us because why not?
Murphy's Law.
Yeah. Chat, как сме? Какво става, чат? Fems, bro, I get 4 ads, fuck. Fems, I'm sorry. I don't know what's happening. I don't know. Blame it on Twitch. Use ad blocker. I don't know. Wait, don't you use ad blocker? I always use ad blocker. On everything. Yes, there is one for phone. But yeah, it doesn't work with the Twitch app. Imagine if you live in a house like that. You actually get toned. Like if you sit in the middle, you know, and you row yourself. That's actually the best possible thing, I think. I mean, this is a narco boat after all. I mean, this is they smuggle from Venezuela. You know, it's like a prototype of a submarine. Чували сте за the drug submarines, chat?
Imagine if the viewfinder coming above the surface.
Oh, periscope depth. And you imagine coming to periscope depth and you see the 2 pepegas rowing in the lake. And you have like 1 kilometer to your destination and you're rich and you have 2 pepegas, one from Bulgaria, one Dutch. IRL streaming your ass. 5 Vikings новия сезон, чат.
We should make a turn and just chill.
No, it doesn't work like...
Okay.
Yeah, you just steer a little bit. I'm just gonna... Oh, this is nice. Yes, indeed it is.
No way.
Чат, добре ли се вижда? The Forest 2 leaks.
What?
The Forest 2, the game. That we have leaked footage.
Oh yeah.
And somebody is like aiming at you with a tank. Amazing. Wait, why are we rowing this way? Oh, just don't don't push yourself or whatever. Just steer. I'm just gonna. Or maybe we just wait. It will push us inevitably there.
Yeah, yeah.
So we're just gonna do it straight.
What a vibe, man.
Man, this is amazing. I need a photo.
We only miss a fishing rod.
Yes. And a big bank account. So you... Okay. Oh, I'm gonna... Wait a second. I'm dumb. This is... Ah, good. Удри сирене! Ха-ха, гладиаторе! Знаеш, баце! Тихо са, повече няма да удриме сирене. Така. Yeah, man. Yeah, I need to take a photo. I need to read a little bit of chat, and then we're going. Okay. Я някой да напише нещо, чат. Това кану обърне ли се, оставаш там? Не. People are like, if this canoe goes over, you're gonna be trapped there. I mean, I can swim to the shore, even with the backpack. Like it's not that big. What? Like, yeah, actually, if it goes like fully under and shit, if you don't turn it on and you really dry it, nothing's gonna happen if you dry it good.
I think so too, yeah.
Yeah, it's
I heard that putting it in rice makes it worse.
Oh. But drying it really good and disassembling everything. Okay, I'm on this side. Let's not try that though. Imagine the awkward travel. Dude, they're sailing with a boat, like an actual boat. Yeah. But there's a lot of expense on that. Like I heard that. I mean, they really love what they do. They aren't actually making that much at all. Because people got used to like what they do. That's the thing. Like people get fed up, and their content is really nice. But
and it's also like they're mainly in salt water. That's gonna kill your stuff instantly.
Oh yeah.
Like here it could be fine, but
Yeah, the thing with salt water is that you need to wash everything with more water after it's already in water. You gonna take Fem for a spin?
I'll just check if he wants to. That he's gonna be like,
No, I mean to leave you guys alone. I'm gonna go.
oh, the fucking on the boat part.
She's in my chat, motherfucker.
She has no audio anyway.
Oh! Whoa! Oh shit! Fuck! It's so surreal, man. Imagine here being with a drone. Holy shit. But that, I think that's risky though. Like I don't know, like no matter how much I trust the drone. Okay, she didn't hear you, good. Maybe. Well, why not? You see? It works.
That's me doing all the work.
Come on, man.
The one in the back stairs.
Yeah, that's why I want to go there, because I'm interested.
Hey!
Nice. It's really modern.
Yeah.
I saw you vaping on the lake.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Living the life, man.
Can I join? Or you?
I mean, I'm gonna go off. You can join.
Yeah?
You can go.
Are you going?
I am gonna.
Go in?
Just a second.
Is that okay?
You want any help?
Okay. No.
You want help getting up?
Are you going out?
Yes.
Just stand in the middle. Don't just piss me over. Pretty please. I think you should hold the bolts, not him.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And now?
Stranded deep. Okay.
Wait.
Don't you have life jacket?
Yeah, it's all the way over there.
Oh, you can.
I mean,
Why didn't you have a life?
All in, right?
because I have, how to say it. Even if I'm in the middle of this, I'm really afraid really afraid of dying. I'm not saying that others know for a fact I'm gonna swim as fast as I'm gonna regret. I'm gonna open my bank account. I will see I cannot pay, and I'm gonna be extremely sad. So that's my motivation for not being stranded.
Why do you have so many ads on your stream, man? I watched for 2 minutes. I got 4 ads.
I don't know. I'm testing something. No, actually. It's really ridiculous with the ads in Bulgaria. No matter how much you put, it's with like 200 average, for example, viewers, you get $20. It's ridiculous. I'm
Per
trying
ad
some.
or per month?
No, per month. I mean, people live off ad revenue all the time, and your boy here
I get
cannot pay.
€5 per month ad revenue.
Wait, 5? That
Oh,
I don't know.
Thank you so much.
Which one
That's
suits you
really
better?
nice. I think this one is my color.
chat.
Okay.
Shh, no ads. Ad block.
Try the fishy thing on stream.
The fishy thing, they turned it over. The dog, I think, turned
Did
it
you
over or
try
something.
The fish?
No, I couldn't.
No,
I was this close, and then it was disgusting.
This is gonna be interesting.
Oh, I cannot show nipples.
Yeah, you can.
I can?
Male nipples.
If it's
Male, ne?
functional.
It's. I mean, it's function. Oh, whoa. Okay, I'm.
There. Oh, you put it there. Go.
Oh yeah, go behind me. Yeah. Woo! Yeah.
Oh, is it a false?
Fuck!
I can take a picture of you.
Nou, wij pikken op de video.
Je moet in het midden gaat je daar op de bank gaan zitten.
Are you streaming?
Yeah. Go. Head first.
Okay. Sail away, Captain.
Put it down. Do it. Oh shit.
Oh my.
Can you give me